First, prepare the ingredients. This is the ingredients you need to have. Let's start with boil the egg with medium heat about 7 to 10 minutes. Also boil the long bean with the egg, it saves more time. After 9 minutes, put the long bean out from the pan. After that, drain the long bean and also the egg. Make sure that the egg is boiled. Cut the long bean that out from the pan. Then, you peel the boiled egg from the shell. Put the beans broth into the bowl contained of hot water. Then, you take the cabbage and cut them to half. Cut the half cabbage into half again like this. Wash the cut cabbage with water. After you wash it, slice them into thin layers like this. Then you boil the sliced cabbage with medium heat around 5 minutes.
While waiting for the cabbage, wash the lettuce.
After 5 minutes, pick up the boiled cabbage and drain. Now you cut the tomato like this. Now you need to cut the cucumber. Prepare the cooking oil in the frying pan with medium heat for the tofu. While waiting the oil is heat, cut the tofu into a small size cube. When the oil is already have enough heat, you can put the tofu into the frying pan. Make sure when you cook it, you stir it well. When the tofu is changed color to light brown, you can pick them up. After that, you can cook the beans with low heat and just keep stirring. After the beans change color, pick them up. To make the sauce, you need these ingredients into the mortar. After that, crush them with pestle. Don't forget to add brown sugar and water in between. Last step is to put the cooked tofu, boiled egg, cut tomato and other things into one plate. And now we're done. Enjoy! This is the adult speaking. I just want to say thanks for watching.